Hey guys, it's Michelle. I am going to show you cut by color today. Okay, so first things first, we want to open our SVG. I'm going to use an Easter one. It's bright, it's got quite a few colors, so it should give you a clearer idea of how the function works. Okay, so you can use this on a PNG or whatever if you're working in a different version that doesn't, like if you're working in basic, it is still possible to do this, but there's a few extra steps. You have to trace and then you have to recolor your trace design. I'm going to work with, actually, I'm going to work with the SVG. And I just opened the PNG. So let's go back here and we're going to redo that real quick. Sorry, guys. I'm having a moment this morning. So as you can see, I'm going to show you this real quick too. As you can see, my SVGs are not, my computer is set to where all of my SVGs automatically open in Studio. If anyone's interested in that, just leave a comment below and I will do a tutorial to show you how to set your computer to automatically open your SVGs in Studio. Okay, so I'm going to take a chance that that's the right one. Yay, it was. I remembered where it was. Okay, anyways, so I want to change my page style back because I'm not a fan of this custom that the designer saved the way that they wanted it. So anyways, here we are. Okay, so I'm going to size it down a little bit so you can see what we're working with here. And I'm going to turn my matte white for you so you can get an even better idea. Okay, so now what we're going to do is, this is our SVG. If I wanted to cut this exactly the way that it is, with exactly the colors that came standard, I would pretty much just go to the send panel, and once we get that up in here, we're going to click on it to highlight it, and of course it's set to no cut, so we're going to put it on cut so we can see what we're cutting. Okay, now here's where you get to the cut by color. You're going to come over here on your top where it says action by. You've got simple, line, fill, and layer. You're going to go to fill. And as you can see, it's loaded the colors that we have, okay? So there's this teal green. There's the yellow. This one. There's the coral color, pink. And I think that's it. Oh, yeah. Okay. So that's it. All right. So now what we would want to do is unclick all of these to start because you want to load your color yourself. Okay, so we're going to start with the, we'll do this simply. We're going to start with our teal color. So what I would do here is I would click the teal color, and you see how it highlights, the outline is there, okay? So what's going to happen now is when I load my teal onto the mat in the right size, you feed that into the mat and press send. My Cameo is not powered on right now, but you press send and it's only going to cut this color. When it's done, you're going to unload, reload your next color, which in this case we're going to go with pink, uncheck your teal, check the pink, and again it's highlighted to cut. Send, load your pink on your mat, cut, unload your mat, take your pink off, and go onto your next color, which is this coral color. So here's what you have to remember: to uncheck each box. Now you're going to check your coral color. Just the little bunnies were highlighted here. Again, same process. Load your mat, load your color, load your mat, cut, unload, load your next color, uncheck your color, your previous color box, check your next color box, and there you have it. That is cut by color. I hope that it was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to either comment below, or you can even post in the group, or you can even direct message me, private message me, and I will help you try to figure out anything that you're having trouble with.